Assalamu alaikum, grade 5. I hope you all are well and you are spending a very good time with your parents and your family. Grade 5, previously we have done questions on notebook. I hope so you have learned those questions, and you also write it nicely on your notebooks. Today we are going to read next topic. We will do some book work and we will do question answers on the notebook also. Here is the topic on page number 92, tsunami topic. This word is tsunami. Here T is silent. When an earthquake takes place under the ocean, it causes giant waves that can travel hundreds of kilometers through water before it hits the coast. These waves are called tidal waves or tsunami. The waves that starts from the ocean and it travels so many kilometers, like hundred of kilometers through water before it come and hit the coast. These waves are called tidal waves, or these waves are also known as the tsunamis. A tsunami is a series of waves which sometimes reach a height of 30.5 meters. So big height waves go, and this result of tsunami. These waves cause widespread destruction. As a tsunami approaches land, it grows bigger. It keeps moving until its energy is completely used up. Clear? The waves will keep moving until the energy between the waves not ends. A tsunami can also be caused by a volcanic explosion. Clear? Here you can see a picture. A tsunami is caused by a high tidal wave. You see at the back side these tidal waves are coming, due to which tsunami happens. Here is one, do you know? A massive earthquake occurred on December 26, 2014 in the Indian Ocean with magnitude of 9.2, with its epicenter off the west coast of Sumatra, Indonesia. It triggered a tsunami with waves up to 30 meters along the coast of most land masses bordering the Indian Ocean, killing nearly 230,000 people in 14 countries due to this tsunami that happened in India on 26 December 2004. Indonesia, Sri Lanka, India, and Thailand were the hardest hit. Clear? Now we are going to do filling the blanks. These filling the blanks include previous topic also and this topic also. The crust of earth is made of big and small pieces of rocks. The location directly above the place where an earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. Hypocenter is the location from which earthquake starts. A dash is a series of waves by an earthquake under the ocean. Tsunami is the series of waves. After doing this work and reading, then you will do this notebook questions that I have written on board. All of you first write date and day, CW, and topic. And our topic is natural disasters. Two questions we are going to do. First question is, what is a tsunami? And its answer is, it is a very large, often destructive sea wave caused by an earthquake under sea or volcanic explosion. Next question is, how does tsunami takes place? And its answer is, it takes place through a series of waves from ocean which sometimes reach a height of 30.5 meters. Carefully write date, day, and topic, and then you will write work, and then you will write diary, and your diary will be learn classwork from notebook plus book, page number 92. Do work nicely and have a great day, dear students. Allah Hafiz.